Capricorn Systems is a 19-year-old software engineering company that serves clients ranging from startups to Fortune 500 companies. In 2009, Southern Company and Capricorn Systems teamed up to introduce two products for the utility industry. Otis was designed by utility industry experts to process open access transmission tariff, financial data, and models using a fixed rate, and CAMP, a web-based contract activity management program that facilitates management of contracts awarded to vendors. Southern Company IT and Capricorn Systems have cultivated a strong partnership over the past 6 years as they've created IT solutions that help grow the business.
Capricorn has been recognized this year as our mid-size shared service award partner. Capricorn is very deserving of this reward for several reasons. One, the collaborative effort they put forth in developing our Open Access Transmission Tariff Information System, or Otis as we call it. This was a collaborative effort. It was a multi-million-dollar project which delivered on time and on budget. And also Capricorn was willing to partner with our intellectual property program to help bring money back into the business.
In this case, you had a very manual business process, and the goal was to take that and automate it so that you could do in, hours what it was taking months or many thousands of hours to accomplish. They worked with us to understand internally what, from a Southern Company technology standpoint, what our standards and processes were. And then they used that information to help come up with a technical solution option.
I'm very excited that Capricorn's getting this award today. I'm also very excited that we're giving awards to mid-sized companies. I see a lot of value for the intellectual property program in the mid-sized companies, largely because they tend to be very creative, very flexible, very willing to work with us the way we need them to work.
For the first time this year, we've actually added a mid-sized partner to our Shared Success Award, and I think Capricorn Systems is very deserving of this award. They've been one of our preferred technology partners for almost 6 years now, have not received a lot of business in the past up until the last couple of years. They stuck with us, they invested the time to build the relationship, learn our business. When the opportunity came with the Otis project, they delivered. They took a multi-year, multi-million-dollar project, stuck with it, delivered a quality product on time and under budget.
Capricorn Systems has been recognized this year as our mid-size shared success partner. They're very deserving of this recognition for several reasons. First of all, we've had very collaborative work with them on our Otis technology. They also delivered a multi-million-dollar project on time, on budget, and without a single change request. Willingness to partner with our intellectual property program to help return money to our business means a lot to us.